Hi guys, here at Lee Level Crossing in Gloucestershire with Roscoe. Time now is 14:32 on Sunday 8th of July 2018, and this is for 14:35 1 Mike 67 cross country service from Cardiff Central to Nottingham. Expected at 14:34 at Orr. The alarms here I can see are properly sort of like oldish stock because they only have the Clifford and Snell logo branded on it. It doesn't have the style logo branded on it like Yoda alarms that you get installed at crossings these days. Although there are the odd occasion where there's a plane over there as well. You can see that. It's just right there. Sounds like someone's playing music in the house as well. I don't know when exactly this crossing was installed, but I'm guessing around 2012 or 13. Around that time anyway. We might also have 14:44 2 Golf 55 Ariba trains well search from Gloucester to Cardiff Central. Possibly. Oh yeah, here it comes now. (1:52.31) to 1:52.36 to Cardiff Central. Yeah, the buttons are lights. Oh, it's coming now. (176.39) 76.39 to Nottingham.